WPI's Fluorodish tissue culture dishes provide exceptional imaging quality for many applications requiring the use of an inverted microscope, such as high-resolution image analysis, microinjection, and electrophysical recording of fluorescent tagged cells. We have a 50 mm diameter dish and two types of 35 mm diameter dishes. Each WPI dish has a flat, optical quality glass bottom, allowing the use of a much shorter working distance, larger numerical aperture, and higher magnification. The larger numerical aperture and higher magnification provide superior quality imaging for both classical and fluorescence microscopy. Higher effective numerical aperture yields brighter images for fluorescence and higher resolution in image analysis. The glass bottom does not fluoresce like plastic culture dishes. That lack of autofluorescence ensures a lower background signal in the fluorescence measurements. That means you can discern smaller or weaker signals. The glass bottom permits the use of immersion objectives with media such as water, glycerin, or oil for the highest magnification possible. To optimize heat exchange, WPI's glass bottom dish is designed to be flush with the microscope stage, or the heating unit. The optical grade glass bottom of WPI's Fluorodishes means you observe less optical distortion. For specialized applications like confocal microscopy, the superior optical properties directly correlate into better results. You can do fluorescence microscopy with no autofluorescence. It also means you get superior UV transmission. And WPI uses a proprietary low cytotoxicity adhesive to ensure your cells' survival. You never need to question the sterility of WPI Fluorodishes. They are individually packaged and gamma sterilized. When you need quality glass bottom cell culture dishes with less optical distortion, excellent UV transmission, low cytotoxicity, and guaranteed sterility, order WPI Fluorodishes. Give us a call today to discuss your application.